Hello there coders, welcome to Bibliophile Coder. In this video I will tell you about the basic tags used in HTML. So let's jump into Atom. I am using Atom editor. You can also use Visual Studio Code or any other editor. So very first you have to create a new file. So you have to go to files, then create a new file. Now the very first tag we will be using is the doctype tag. Now press the exclamation mark. Now write the doctype in caps. So here the type of our document is HTML. So doctype tag tells the browser about the type of your document. So here the type of our document is HTML, and it also tells the version of HTML to our browser. Now the next element that we are using is HTML. This is a starting or opening HTML tag, and here is a closing or ending HTML tag. Don't forget to close the HTML tag. You have to write the / to close the tags. Now the HTML tag holds the two tags. Very first the head tag. This is a opening head tag, and here is a closing head tag. And between the head tag you can write the metadata about your document. So metadata is data about data. So I'm giving the title to my document here inside the head tag. You can use title tag. So title tag will give the title to your document. Here I am giving the title Bibliophile Coder. Bibliophile. And you have to close the title tag. Now let's talk about the body tag. Everything you will see in your website or in your web page will be inside your body tag. So this is a opening body tag, and you have to close the body tag. Here this is the closing body tag. Suppose you are writing a blog, so you will be needed a heading. So to give a heading to your paragraph you will be needed a heading tag. So this is a heading tag. You have to write h1, and whatever is your heading you have to write between the heading tag. So this is a starting head tag, and this is a closing heading tag h1. So I am giving here the heading is this is first heading. And to write a paragraph you can use the p tag. This is the paragraph tag. Whatever you will write between the p tag will become the heading. So here I am writing the paragraph. This is a awesome paragraph. Now you have to save your document with pressing Ctrl+S. Now I am saving my document on my desktop. Now I am giving the name main, and you have to write the extension .html. Don't forget to give the extension. Now I am saving it. Now you have to minimize your editor. Now click on the file which is saved at your location. Now you can see the changes here in your web page. Now go back to your Atom editor. Now suppose you want to give another heading. So press enter. Now write h2. This is heading 2. This is a second heading. and you have to close the second heading tag like that. Now you want to write a paragraph for second heading, so you can use another p tag here. This is a second paragraph. This is a paragraph. Now you have to close the p tag. Now suppose you want to write two paragraphs in your heading, so you can use another p tag here. This is another p tag, and this is a second paragraph. This is a second paragraph. GRAPH. So now you have to close this tag also by writing /p. Now save this document and see the changes. Open your browser, reload the page to see the changes. Now here you can see this is an awesome paragraph. This is your first paragraph, and this is a second paragraph. This is a second paragraph, and this is a second heading, and here is a paragraph inside your second heading. Now go back to your editor. Now if you want to write another paragraph in your second heading, you can use a paragraph tag here. This is a para. You can use as many p tags as you want to write paragraphs. And don't forget to close up p tags as well as the head tags. Now I will make some changes in the paragraph. This is my first HTML lesson. Now suppose you want this is my first HTML lesson to appear on the next line. For that you can use the BR tag, and BR tag is a single tag. You don't have to write another BR tag, so this is a single BR tag. So whatever you will write after the BR tag will automatically appear on the next line of your document. Now you can save it. To see the changes, go to your browser. Now press the refresh button here. Now you can see here, this is my first HTML lesson appearing on the second line. You can use as many BR tag as you want. Here I'm writing this is second, and I'm using a BR tag between these two lines. I'm putting a BR tag here and I'm closing it. Now you have to save it. Open your browser, reload the page. Now you can see here, this is a second paragraph, and on the next line this is second, and there is another tag which is used to create the horizontal line, that is your HR tag. If I will write a HR tag here, it will create a line, horizontal line between this section and this section. Now you have to save it to see the changes. Go back to your browser, reload your page. Now here you can see there is a horizontal line appearing here. Suppose you want to create a horizontal line between two paragraphs, so you can use HR tag. It will separate your two paragraphs. Open your browser, click on refresh. Now here you can see the changes appearing on your web page. So there are two horizontal lines appearing on your web page. So this is all about the basic tags used in HTML. So let's revise. So very first, the doctype tag. Doctype tag used for HTML version. It tells a browser about your HTML version and your type of document. Next is your HTML tag. This is a main tag, holds everything that will be displayed on your web page, and it holds the two main tags, that is the head tag and body tag. And don't forget to close the head tag, body tag and HTML tag. So you can give the metadata inside your head tag. I'm not talking about meta tag in this video. And to write the title of your document, you can use the title tag, and don't forget to close it. Here the title is bibliofile. And let's come to body tag. Body tag holds the content of your document. So here I have taken two headings. To write headings, you can use h1 tag, and there will be a closing head tag. And to write the paragraphs, there is a p tag I have used. You can write as many paragraphs as you want. And to break two lines, and you want the line will appear on the next line, you can use br tag, and line after br tag will automatically appear on the next line. So here the second heading tag, you can use as many heading as you want. Here I will show you. I will write a third heading h3, and I'm writing a closing head tag h3. Now I'm writing this is a second heading, this is a third heading. Now this is the third heading. You have to save it, go to your web browser, reload your page. Now as you can see, there is a third heading. And you have to use p tags to write your paragraphs. This is all about the tags in HTML. They are called elements, and elements specifies the tags used in HTML. There will be a starting head tag, there will be a starting tag, and there will be a closing tag, or you can also call them pair tags.